summer was spent with the Chicago Park District in the Nature Oasis department, where most of the employees are dedicated to traveling all over Chicago to many nature areas, teaching children about nature around the city. To prepare the seasonal employees, a field guide was created with activities, nature facts, and teaching strategies to use with the children for a period of 6 weeks.
Still kind of hard, but what's better? With the ears on or with the ears off? Ears on, right? Let's try it one more time. Okay, ready? Put your ears on.
The use of the field guides led to the employees feeling prepared and satisfied with their daily work on a more professional level.